In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily report a Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, and then first of all we need to get to someone's profile we would like to report. It can be Facebook profile of a user or it can be a page. Just go to a profile page of a user you would like to report, and then all we have to do is just tap at this three dots button. And that's where we can easily find a report profile. If we tap on it, we'll be able to select a problem which we are facing to, like a fake account or pretending to be someone or something else. Just select any option from here. Keep in mind that depending on which exact option you select, the following steps might be different. For example, if we tap at fake name, we'll got that next step, that final step. All we have to do is just tap at done. However, if we tap at pretending to be someone, they will ask you to enter whom that user are pretending to be, like me, friend, celebrity, or a business. If you select a friend, it will ask you to choose the exact friend whom that user are pretending to be, and once you have selected a friend in that way, you will be able to send a report by hitting at that submit button. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.